What is up, everybody? All right, so we're just changing the oil on a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. This is the Sport Edition 4x4 with the 4.7 liter V8. Pretty easy to change the oil. All you need is a equivalent 5W30 oil. This just happens to be Castro Edge Euro car. This is for like BMW, Audi, Mercedes. You can use it on this. The oil fill right here at the front. You can reach the filter from above. The oil filter. It is that white thing right there. But it's easier just to lift it. And I put jack stands under it. So just put a jack stand here on the frame support on both sides. This front skid is pretty easy to remove. It's just 4 12mm bolts right here. And then the 14mm is your drain plug. So one bolt here, one there. The front skid has 2 hooks. They hook into these front clips. And then it bolts here and there. And then the drain plug is right there in this giant cavity. I already got it drained. Next is the oil filter. Oil filter is actually quite easy to get to on this. It's right here up front. On the 3.6 liters, it's tucked in above the transfer case, or the front diff. So they can be a pain. Oh, I'm spilling it everywhere. Those drain pans can never just easily move. Okay. And then you just twist. Oh, come on. I had it earlier. Sorry, guys. No, it's not going to come on off this time. But drain that, put a new filter on it, go up top, pour some oil in it, and should be good to go. Here, let me grab this rag. Maybe this will help. I had it loosened. Now it re-tightened for some reason. Whoever He-Man these on here is crazy. You do not need to He-Man it. No, that's not going to work. But it's pretty easy to get to, guys. Just take the skid off, the front skid plate, and you're good to go. No big deal.